just in case you're wondering what I'm doing, we lucked out at our local IGA. It's like a Red Apple, and chicken backs, my favorite. And no, you can't have any.
There's a can.
Anyway, these are the chicken backs. They're full of nice, yummy fat. And of course, chicken leg quarters, 99 cents a pound. Didn't have to go all the way to, Burlington, just Darrington. You can't beat it. So I'm just going to bake these off, roast them off at 425 degrees for an hour, and they'll be nice and juicy, and we'll have the best rendered fat for later use. Keto on!
Okay. Okay, it's going. Oh, this must have been. It looks good. It smells good. You have to sample everything. First that, and then that. Ooh.
They smell absolutely delicious. Okay, pick yourself up. Stop bitching at me.
What are you doing?
Nothing. This is my favorite part. The chicken, yummies. Look at all that. That's all the chicken drippings from the backs and the chicken leg quarters. This down here is nothing but drippings. It will flavor soup or oh my God, it'd be so good to stir fry some asparagus or broccoli in. But this is the actual chicken fat. Chicken schmaltz is what it's called. But this right here, this is mine. This is mine now. And you will love, especially this part right here, this golden one. What? What? Put it down. Go away.